Hey everyone, it's Rose here from Korean class. Today we are going to be study Korean letter. It's like a review session. Headline: 똑같은 글자 찾기. 똑같은 means same. 글자 is words. And 찾기 means find. So 똑같은 글자 찾기 means find the same letter. Okay? So 회색 글자를 따라 쓰고 writing gray color letter and 같은 글자가 들어간 낱말끼리 선으로 연결해요. Connect the same letter with a line like this. So let's have a look. Yeah, we studied this everything, and this is syringe. Its Korean is 지읒 is J and 우 is 우. So 주, and 시옷 is S and I is A. 사, 기억 is G and E is I. Syringe is in Korean is 주사기. 주사기. So gray color letter is 주. So where is 주? Here, right. So this is same 주. And 시옷 is S. 의 is EU. So this is juice. Juice. Yeah. Juice is juice in Korean. So here's 주 and 주 in same letter. Connect with a line. Okay. And second one is 지읒 is J and I is A and 디귿 is D and 우 is U. So it's 자두. 자두 is plum in Korean. 자두. 자두. So this is gray color letter is 자 and here is 자. Is 시옷 S, I is A, 지읒, yeah, same 자. So connect the line. And last one, 사자 is lion. And last one, 비읍 is B and I is also A. 지읒 J E is I. 바지. 바지 is pants in Korean. 바지. 바지. And here is also G. 디귿 D 우 U. 디귿 so D E O and same G. This is 두더지. 두더지 is mole in Korean. It's digging animal. 두더지. 두더지. And connect the line. So I wanna speak everything one more time, and you should speak together with me. So syringe is 주사기. 주사기. And same 주 is juice. Juice is juice in Korean. And plum in Korean 자두. 자두. Same 자 is 사자. 사자 is lion. 사자. And pants in Korean is 바지. 바지. And same G is here. 두더지. 두더지 is mole in Korean. So that's all from me today. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget like and subscribe. See you tomorrow, guys. 뿅.